Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Rismawati dari 2 Piaut Sore. Saya akan menceritakan kisah seekor monkey yang bernama Moni dan temannya Frog. Selamat mendengarkan. The afternoon breeze. Moni sat in the branches while sleepy. Suddenly, his stomach grumbling and feeling hungry. He imagined how good when eating fruit, but he then recalled the word of his friend. He said as the greedy, the tailor eating, and so on. In fact, he echoed the word of the farmer who scolded him. Look, if you steal again, I'll kill you. If you want to eat fruit, then eat sharp. Work and try it well, farmer said grimly. Feather back of her neck stood up when he recalled being beaten when stealing banana and mango or cat from pack. Moni then think how to get food so as not to get yelled at people. I better find my best friend. Hopefully, he can help me, said Moni in the labor. He then walked down from the tree and looked for Frog's close friend. Arriving in the rice field while singing, he called his best friend is Pung kati pung pung pung. Frog, best friend, why do you have long violet to apple? Best friend coming. I miss you so much. Emerged comes. Hear the singing. Frog apple while singing. Teo tap blung. Quack. Come the frog me. I miss you. How do I show up? If you yourself do not apple, but animal, were then told to release his desire on the occasion. Also the monkey confirming. Frog, best friend, why do not we work together to grow fruits? Said the monkey. Quack. Well, I totally agree, but the fruit of what is it the most convenient and most easily grown? The frog replied. Better to plant banana, sweet cost readily available and easy ways to plant. How monkey said as he asked. All right, I will look for it. Usually many banana trees were swept away in the reef. Let's get to the reef. While inviting, monkey Frog replied. They then to the reef bank while talking to her nickname. Arriving at the reef bank, he played around while waiting if there is a drive of banana steam. True not, so there was a banana drifting. Well, that's it, Frog shouted, pointing at a drifting banana steam. Let's drag it to the edge. Moni invited. Come, said the frog. They jumped into the reef and dragged the trunk to the edge of the reef. Arriving as they left the trunk into the mainland, they then watched if there are banana trees swept away again, but it did not come. Waiting is boring, said the monkey beats. Quack. Well then tomorrow Look, we are here more. We wait when there are banana trees. Swept away again. That was me, said the frog. While holding a banana strong, do not cheat. It belongs to both of you. Instead of let's wait until tomorrow, for the favorite banana tree is right now, said the monkey. Croak, croak, croak. Will we just cut a banana tree trunk into two? You're the bottom of my U-pair, said the frog. Do not cheat. Which can bear it the top fruit that I really made from your letter. The bottom can also be fruitful, said the monkey frog. Croak, croak. Well, we're friends. Friends should understand each other and help each other. We must not fight just because of a small matter. Carry the top. I was the bottom of it. Croak, 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 said the frog enthusiastic. They even took part is to the forest. Money took banana stem, top and bottom of the frog to be planned once a month to visit the monkey frog. They were asking the plan. How is your banana plan? Croak, croak, croak. Ha! Look at that. That is not it. My plan. I very fertile. Life are so dense and swell. Frog pointing plan. What about your plan? The frog asked further. Well, my plans too. Money lied to her friend said. He lied because the plan where that you pair steam cannot live if plan money come. Again next month he asked the frog about the plan. How is your plan? Asked Money. Well, very large banana plant and now it's fruitful. How does your plan? Frog said while asking the money plan. Likewise, my plan has been fruitful. Even the big man said Money. Lying there then talk joking. Once complete. Money back into the woods on my next visit. To banana fruit is ripe, but frog cannot pick it up because it cannot climb the banana tree. Frog have records to Money, who was visiting. Money, please, said my banana is ripe. Croak, 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 please, said Frog to Money. Well, be happy, let's get to it, Money said, while inviting Frog. Money immediately climbed a banana tree, and when he got up he was soon picking and trying to eat it. Well, right, your banana ripe, Money shouted from the top of the banana tree. Hi, Money, do you eat alone? Harry shot by a bunch of me friends. Frog cried while begging. Yeah, I have not finished eating, said Moni one by Moni eating banana every. Frog, asked Moni, was the only answer. Frog have never been even. The frog just part her skin. You better eat the skin only now, the spark except, said Moni Frog. Before harassed by Moni, he also took myself to listen to the Moni greedy. Well, spin just banana. I'm not interested anymore. I have had enough to eat mosquitoes. Food home back the mosquitoes, not banana like your food, said the frog in disgust. Ha 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 ha, frog, your own fault. You cannot climb. You can only camp. About it, consider me. Can run, jump, and climb. My foot is more kind than you. You better. Mosquitoes only. Banana is actually for me, and not for you, said the Cavalier Moni. Basic Moni greedy. That's not much to say. Harry spent just banana. Soon I will climb down the trunk, the frog said angrily. Don't talking frog began to cut down banana tree. Moni to speed, eating there he began to feel full and sleepy. Banana tree began to shriek and full collapse but cough not resist Moni. Sleepy, the more rocking banana tree, regarded as a lolling swing. Eventually he felt his stomach is the tip of the point tree dry and crushed his banana tree. Sekian dari cerita saya, semoga bermanfaat bagi yang mendengarkan. Wallahul muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.